What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to make a live pay-per-view campaign, a redirect campaign on the traffic network called Tonic in combination with the Peerfly affiliate CPA network. So this is a very exciting video. I haven't done the redirect thing in a long time, but it's still a viable traffic source. It's a little bit like POP, but different, and therefore I'm going to choose a very selective offer. I put in April 2018, long time ago, I put about $100 on Tonic, and I see there's $66 left, so we can make some campaigns. They got pop and they got redirect, but we're going to do the 0-click, and then we're going to build. So what did I do before? So I think, is there anything there still? It was US desktop for dog food. I think it was like a clickback offer. It didn't make any sense. At that time, I didn't know what I was doing. And it was only like just over a year ago. Funny. But we're going to create a new campaign and see if the setup is still the same. I am obviously in the advertiser Tonic, advertiser.tonic.com. You can sign up for free. Campaign creation process 50%. All right, so first we're going to look at the country we want to target. Do we want to target multiple countries? Is that possible? What do we want? So you have like this whole overview of settings you can do. Well, I'm in Peerfly, so what I decided to do for this one, first I was thinking what works good for pay-per-view. So antivirus install offers, so maybe like Mac cleaner, those kind of offers, right? Updates, so those are two big categories. Or the third one would be like a smart link. A smart link, what it does is it rotates the top converting offers. So the chances are that for this type of traffic, you will get more conversions using a smart link if you go direct. And that is what we're going to do. We're not going to run them through a bridge page because this needs to load fast as fuck. And I hope that we'll test this link and hopefully it does load fast. Let's just have a look. So the smart link will just rotate all the offers continuously to see which one would fit best. All right, this is a sweepstake. Yeah, congratulations Google user, you have won a gift. Every day we select 10 for a Movie Flix gift card. I don't know what that is, but it looks okay. It's not the best, but if we put it again, I think we should get a different one, right? We should. So also congratulations. Yeah, it's a different one. So this is a spin for casino offer, become a millionaire today. So you can see it's quite aggressive, but with where we normally run Facebook and Instagram, there are so many rules. Here, there's literally no rules. All you have to follow is the rules of the offer. So what it says, monetize mainstream traffic in all geos. So it's also a huge plus. What happens in this scenario? See, they even give example Tonic. It's even there. See. All right. So back. What happens? Which is very interesting with the smart link. It also says here important. The listed payout is not. It's just an estimate. Like the average. It's not a guaranteed payout. What happens is these offers have all separate payouts per geo. So sometimes if you run worldwide, you might get like maybe Honduras, like 1 cent payout, and then you get like US $1 payout. So it varies. So the tracker in this scenario would be very important. I'm not going to do that today because I have many videos on how to set that up, but you want to see what the overall profit loss is, and you can do that in Tonic as well. Yeah, interesting. So that is what interests me the most. STC accepts desktop and mobile. Can we also choose? I think so, yeah. So I don't want to do France because I saw, so France would be a low cost geo. Do they have France? Yeah, 26 million is good. US, France, Australia by revenue. So US most, then France, then Australia, Great Britain, Canada, Germany, Sweden, New Zealand, Belgium, Netherlands. All right, let's do France then. All right, France. And then we want to run non-adult. We want to run on the network. You can also do category. So we would be in any category, right? Dating, shopping, non-adult. And what happens if you go adult? You get like all the other ones. So for adult, they only have this little traffic per month. And for non-adult, they have like way more. It's going to update? No, not yet. So desktop, mobile 0. Okay, so it's all desktop traffic. With what we want, it's okay. Doesn't matter. So if we go to the US, for instance, let me see if there's mobile traffic. So desktop, huge, right? Mobile, also nothing. Interesting. All right, let's go back to France. Because I think these websites, what I experience, right? What most people, I would say, experience, when you have these like streaming websites for movies or series, and you're on there, you don't have an ad blocker, when you get like the crazy pop-ups with like spam ads redirect all of the time. And obviously that is not preferable. So also, side note, when I look to my left, I'm streaming this live in my Facebook group. If there are any questions, I'm going to answer them at the end of this video. Also, there's a link in the description to join that Facebook group where we do these kinds of live trainings every single week. All right, so we did non-adult, desktop. All right, so you can do the operating system. I think it allows all traffic. Yeah, desktop and mobile. So you just Peerfly, gotta read the rules. Good. So pop ads, zero park, ad supply, self-advertise at Tonic. Well, we good. Conversion point and payout will vary, obviously. Allowed method, search, social banners, PPV, cost per view. This is what we're doing right now. No incent, no classified ads, no SMS, no email, no trademark bidding, no co-rec. All right, that's good. No restricted, incent, adult, no misleading content. Okay. All right. So no virus ads. What I said before. Please note that all duplicates or invalid leads will be removed. Yeah, of course. All right. Good. We can get started. Remove this, and then just complete this. I don't think it's that difficult actually. Right. Browsers. Everything. So let's see where the most traffic comes from. I think if we turn off Chrome, it only goes down a little bit. If we turn off Firefox, that is mostly Internet Explorer probably. Oh no, it's Safari? No. Others? What would there be except these? Oh, maybe they're not marked and that's why they are others. Okay. So, most of them is Windows? No. Linux? I always like to play around with these metrics, see how the reach changes, but in this scenario, not that much. Include tablets? What if we exclude tablets? 1 million. Data settings, just run it. Yeah. Weekly schedule, just run it. And budget, just run it. This is actually going to be funny because I never run the Watch Me builds. So I always say this is for educational purposes only, but I never use Tonic. I have money. So what are we going to do? We're actually going to run it. Campaign name, Watch Me build, Tonic, traffic network, Peerfly, affiliate, CPA network, smart link. So I guess everybody's excited right now that we're actually going to run the campaign instead of just setting it up, showing you how it's done. All right, this is the interesting part, all right? The bidding. So it basically works, the more you bid, the more reach you get, right? So as you see, let me grab my calculator. It's 0.00042 per click because that's just a redirect, right? It doesn't mean anything. Sometimes it doesn't even load half of the time. 0.042 times. So how much would be from 1,000 impressions? It's $4.20. Does that make sense? Yeah. So 1,000 impressions, $4.20 is quite high. Let me see if I did it correctly. Yeah, I did it correctly. So that is the suggested bid. Your bid is the maximum amount you're willing to pay. All right, so we're going to bring it down. Let's just bid low in the beginning. Is this going to change? No. All right. Okay, your source IDs. Do they have a list? Please paste all source IDs you want to update. They don't show you the source IDs from the start, so you would have to run first, I guess. Redirect the URL. Okay, there we go. Postback, no need. Auto payout, whitelist, blacklist. So what happens with these redirect campaigns is the same as pop and push. They work on the same platform, it's the same kind of traffic, right? As I said, people browsing the internet on usually download sites and stuff, download YouTube videos, download Facebook videos, watch Game of Thrones, those kind of things, right? And they get pop-ups for pop traffic, they get redirects for redirect traffic, and as soon as they sign up on the like the bell notification or whatever it is, you get like push traffic. That's what this is basically. So you get, if you would run this on a tracker, you would get conversions based on different IDs, the website where the traffic is coming from, called a source ID. Whitelist means these things are making you money, so you put them on your whitelist. The blacklist is everything that doesn't make money. So Tonic is going to exclude those and only give you traffic from the whitelist. It probably means that you have to bid more on those specific audiences because it is more converting, and maybe not for you, maybe for everybody, but that way you exclude. Because what happens, you want to start low bid, as I did, 15 cents instead of 42, and I'm going to only do $10. I'm not using a tracker. So in this sense, you would have to use a tracker if you want to see good results. All I want to see is which offers Peerfly is going to show. So in the next video, I can show you guys which are the top converting offers they use in SmartLink. But I haven't set a budget yet. So where do I put the budget? Okay. Maybe on the next one. It says save and start campaign, but I didn't put a budget. Huh. Weird. I thought I just saw somewhere budget here, budget 0. Maybe it's on the final page. This says save and start campaign. Campaign saved. See, it's weird. Daily budget no cap. That's crazy. I'm gonna adjust that. It should have a cap, obviously, of $10. Imagine it blowing like the $66 right now. Right now we launched it. But I think they have to go through approval process too. Alright, how do we edit this? Edit or copy this campaign? That's what I like about these videos. I'm learning so much as well by just showing you guys how it's actually done. Because I've done this before, right? But where do we edit the budget? Maybe back to step 1 and then in the calendar. Choose specific budget. There it is. 10. Okay, go to dashboard. Let me just refresh this so we're sure it didn't spend anything yet. I think we're good. I think it didn't spend anything yet so far. Yeah, it's not that fast. All right, there it is. Run a network, France, desktop, watch me build, Tonic, Peerfly, SmartLink. So it's running at $10 a day. I'm going to check back in with you guys tomorrow. The video might come a bit later, but it's going to spend $10. Let's see what happens. Probably nothing, probably no conversions, but I just want to see what's up with this. If it's actually a good experience, we're going to blast the next $56 on actually a campaign with the tracker. It's also going to be another watch me build video, but this is obviously super easy to set up, right? So if you have a lower budget, if you just want to play around with a new traffic source, I mean, don't expect huge things from pop or pay-per-view, but you can make thousands a day in profit still, but the source IDs are very important. So your main focus should be on your tracking, finding the right IDs that convert, and then taking those, blacklisting all others, optimize. It works the same with every traffic source. You have to optimize to get the desired results. Tonic is great for starters, great for beginners. I use Peerfly today, and let me see if there's any questions. I don't think there are any questions because it's like super straightforward, right? You don't have to write copy, you don't have to find images or anything else. It's actually quite simple. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.